Hello, everyone. Here's your weather hazard briefing. Believe it or not, it's the first day of December. And if you've read the back of your shampoo bottle lately and it says wash, rinse, and repeat, that's basically our forecast over the next few days. We've got high pressure in place. In fact, we have a blocking pattern that's set up over the western U.S. It's really going to not go anywhere until we get towards the end of the week. Do expect inversion conditions to hold during this pattern, and they'll slowly weaken, but really not until we see this pattern break down. Maybe as early as Friday, but it may not be until a little over a week from now. Satellite, and you'll be able to see this pattern showing up on satellite already. We have high pressure generally right along the Washington, Oregon coast, extending up into southern Canada. We have an area of low pressure that is developing offshore of California. So when you have this pattern, low pressure to the south and high pressure to the north, that's called a Rex block. And that's, like I said, these patterns are very slow to break down, and that's pretty much what we've got going on. This high cloud cover, mid cloud cover is really not going to impact our weather at all across the area. And our weather risk outlook, we didn't forget to fill it out. There's nothing of impact to happen over the next few days across portions of central and eastern Idaho. So we'll just get right to it. Temperatures today, 30s to low 40s, a little warmer in the above the inversion, outside of the inversion. Also, once you get over into the Magic and Treasure Valleys, we'll see some mid 40s for this afternoon. For tonight and tomorrow, you don't see much of a difference. Maybe just a little bit of warm up tomorrow afternoon, but you see those inversions holding in place, and where it's going to be outside of the inversions are a little bit warmer, closer to 50 degrees. May not break 40 in areas of at least valley locations where the inversion is going to hold. Temperatures tonight and tomorrow morning in the teens and 20s with single digits in the typical colder spots. And you'll notice as we go through the next few days, you don't see a lot of change in that temperature map. Here's for Tuesday. Again, we're with this type of pattern, a degree or two is stretching it when we start to see temperature fluctuations across the area Wednesday and into Thursday as well. So basically temperatures now, these temperatures in some cases are running just a little bit above average, even though they're pretty cool out there. If you look at the number itself. For the 6 to 10 day outlook, again, it's above normal, but we're not looking at like massively above normal temperatures, just a little bit above normal, but a pretty good confidence in the fact that it will be a little bit above normal, and increasing confidence that will be dry across the area until we see that pattern change. This, like I said, takes into account of right around the 6 to 10 day forecast period, and that's about the time we might see some shifting, a little bit at least, in the pattern over the area. So once again, not much change in the weather. Our Rex block remains in place. A little bit of cloud cover here and there, nothing really to get excited about there, with inversion conditions holding, and maybe by the end of the week, maybe by next weekend, more likely, some showers returning to our area. Have a great Sunday, have a great first day of December, and stay safe out there, everyone.